everyone, this is Melek TAVLU. Today we will talk about International Space Station, also known as ISS. ISS is a space base, in other words, an artificial satellite that is flying in low Earth orbit. It was assembled by connecting different modules. The first part was launched in 1998. It has three major parts: modules with atmospheric pressure, other supporting frame, and solar panels. It is the biggest satellite in the orbit, and you can see it even with naked eye in the right time and place. International Space Station represents 15 countries: Canada, Japan, the Russian Federation, the United States, and also 11 members of European Space Agency. Those are Belgium, Denmark, France, Germany, Italy, the Netherlands, Norway, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, and the United Kingdom. Total 5 space agencies designed it and produced it. Those agencies are the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, in short NASA, Russian Space Agency, European Space Agency, Canadian Space Agency, Japanese Aerospace Exploration Agency. While in orbit, ISS speeds in 229,000 km per hour. The distance between the far west and the far east points of Turkey is 1565 kilometers. This means ISS passes over Turkey in just around 3 minutes. Even then, it takes 1.5 an hour to travel around the world. This means while we see one sunrise and sunset, the astronauts and cosmonauts see 6 different sunrises and sunsets. They work for 10 hours a day. When it's time to sleep, they darken the windows so that their biological clocks are not affected. This station produces its own electricity from solar panels. These panels cover 2,500 square meters. It means they cover 1/3 of a football field. According to the information given by NASA, they produce enough energy for 40 houses. They also charge batteries, so when there is no sunlight, they can use an alternative energy source. Well, what does ISS do? It is planned as a laboratory, an observatory, and a factory. Also in the future, it is planned to be used as transportation and maintenance base for the missions for the Moon, Mars, and for other planets and asteroids. By the way, have you watched our video about asteroid mining? We highly recommend you to watch our video. There should be a link at the end of this video. In addition to current assignments, it has commercial, diplomatic, and educational objectives. Now, let's talk about its importance. ISS is the first step for extraterrestrial life. Humankind tested the life in zero-gravity environments for the first time. Some experiments require a 9G environment. Thus, they cannot be done on Earth. In ISS, it is not a problem. It is not only the most expensive structure in recorded history, but it is also the biggest one in space. We cannot say that it is the only structure in the space, as there are Mir, Skylab, and Juno, but it is the most expensive one with 150 billion American dollars of cost. Well, that's all that I will share with you about ISS. See you in the next videos. Bye.
3, 2, 1. Booster ignition and liftoff of Discovery with a crew of 6 astronaut heroes and 1 American legend.
Houston Discovery, roll program.
Roger, roll, Discovery.